How's it going, everybody? Welcome to HuckitTV. Today's video is brought to you by Auto Salon Detailing, where mobile excellence is guaranteed. Today I'm going to show you guys how to improve your suspension for basically free, as long as your suspension isn't absolutely clapped. Right now I'm heading out to test out my first little improvements. Later on in the video I'll show you exactly what I did and what tools I used to improve my suspension.
Damn it! That was dry. everybody, we're trying the hard pack tune now compared to the rough track tune. I figured the track would be a little bit rougher, but it's more hard pack today. I tried this app. I'll put the name right here or put it down in the description. Can't remember exactly what it's called. Actually, we'll look.
Okay, so basically what you're going to do is you're going to head over to Below Average Heroes and you're going to select Motocross. You're going to enter all your information, including your rider weight, height, bike brand, bike model, suspension brand, and skill level. Also, don't forget about your track conditions. Those are important. You're going to let them load, and that will show you your clicker settings that you need to put into your bike. Now, this isn't a paid advertisement. I've always been pretty clueless about setting up my clickers for the track and everything. And after messaging my suspension guy and asking him how to do it, this app really helped me out. I figured it would help you guys out too. So I'm kind of spreading it out to the masses, putting the word out for people that have not heard of this app. When I first got to the track, I set it for the rough track settings because King City usually is pretty rough, but it ended up being more hard pack than anything. So I changed up the settings, and we're gonna head out to the track to see how the new settings do. If you've made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed yet, I strongly encourage you to consider doing that because we really appreciate all the subscribers around here. You know, gotta make that dream happen somehow. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell next to the subscribe button. That lets you know every time that HuckitTV uploads, and you can stay up to date with all the videos. All right, see you guys out there.
No more drop bikes for me!
At this point in the video, I'm noticing a big difference in the performance of the suspension with just changing a few clicks, honestly. And my confidence is starting to boost, so bear with me, guys. I've been off the bike for quite some time. I'm still a little afraid of some of the jumps, but by the end of the video, I will eventually hit every single one except for one. I did end up getting a little bit of arm pump. I forgot to take my hydropower, shame on me. I also have some CR highs on this bike. I have some new bars coming in. I'm a shorter rider, and those CR highs are really causing a lot of arm pump for me, even though they are the Pro Taper Fusions with the, you know, flex bars. But all right, guys, we're gonna get back to a little race my buddy Toops and I were having here. I wish the track wasn't so dry. Maybe it would have turned out a little bit better, but it was still fun nevertheless. So all right, let's get back out there, boys. Oh, and before I forget, for those of you curious on how to adjust your clickers, I'll be explaining that at the end of the video. Alright everybody, I know this has been kind of a lengthy video, but to give a short little rundown on how to adjust your clickers, whenever you get those clicker settings that, like, say it says 13 clicks, what you're going to do is you're going to twist your clickers all the way to the right until it doesn't go anymore. And remember, when it starts to give a little bit of resistance, stop, don't go any further. And then you're going to say, like I just said, say if the app says 13 clicks, you're going to back it out 13 clicks. And that is the same with everything from your high speed compression and all that stuff. I'm going to do a more detailed video later this week. I have to go to next level and get my camera charger because I'm dumb and I forgot it there. But stay tuned guys, I'm going to do a much more in-depth video on just specifically adjusting your clickers. But thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys especially if you've watched this far. And please hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching once again. I'm loving the new bike. It's good to be back riding, honestly. It was like 6-7 months that I was off the bike because the YZ was down. And I'm really just, learning to love riding again. And I'm getting my confidence back. And, before long, we'll be back to some regular content. Of course, we are going into the winter months, but we're going to be going to B52 for sure, at least trying to go down there sometimes. I'm going to try and keep content going out for you guys, maybe some tutorials, maybe some funny skits. Just drop a comment below what you guys would like to see from me. Honestly, I'm down or up for anything. I recently started up a film business and photography business, so I'm usually pretty busy with that, but I definitely plan on still doing YouTube. I would like to upload more and upload as much as possible because I do love this stuff. But don't forget to hit that subscribe button and activate notifications by clicking the bell so you are updated whenever I post. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Once again, I know I repeated that a bunch of times. You guys are awesome, especially all of you that have been here for years. And big shout out to Abel and Jax. You guys are awesome. This is Mauser signing out. And remember guys, stay rippin', big pimpin'.